up YouTube? Teddy Westside here for another video, and today we are doing something that I am so excited for. We are getting an upgraded clutch. That's right. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I've been experiencing clutch slippage ever since I went stage 1. I'm currently now stage 2. The clutch is getting pretty bad. It used to be it started out just in like 5th and 6th gear when I floored it. I would experience the clutch kind of slipping and going out from me. Now, you know, even in 3rd gear, if I get on it, it's kind of going. So it was time to bite the bullet, spend some money. The clutch that I went with is definitely not one of the cheaper options. I went with the South Bend Stage 2 Endurance package. I got it for about $1,400 off of BMP Tuning. I'll put a link down below to my clutch so you guys can check it out. Again, it's not one of the cheaper options. There are cheaper options available. So if you're uncomfortable with spending that kind of money, you can still, you know, get upgraded power and upgrade your clutch for cheaper than that. South Bend offers a stage 2, a stage 3, and a stage 4 package, and inside each of those packages they have 3 sub-levels, a daily, endurance, and a drag use. I went with the endurance package because it's in the middle. It gives you a little bit more torque range, which is always good because, you know, I do plan on going more horsepower in the future, so I kind of wanted to give myself as much as possible without being crazy. Stage 2 is not really supposed to change the pedal feel anyway, so that's why I kind of limited it at stage 2 instead of going to stage 3. For the torque rating, it's a little bit confusing because I kind of keep seeing 2 numbers on the internet. For the daily use, I've seen 400 and 425 torque. For the endurance, I've seen 450 and 465 torque. And then the drag package is 520 torque. Again, I went with the stage 2 endurance kit. There is a piece of paper that came with mine that says that it's rated for 450. So I'm going to say that 450 is kind of the number, not 465. It's a single mass flywheel, so I will probably get some clutch chatter. I don't know a whole lot about the difference between dual mass and single mass. You can look up other videos on YouTube, I'm sure, to figure that out. I'm not too concerned about clutch chatter or any noises because I do plan on doing more solid mounts in the car, like engine mounts and transmission mounts, and once you do that, you're going to get rattling. My car kind of rattles a little bit here and there as it is with my exhaust. Yeah, again, I'm not too concerned. It might be annoying at first, but I do plan on doing more mounts that are going to be solid, and it's going to give me more rattles at idle. For instance, I know, like, I'm pretty sure it's like the dog bone mount. If you get a certain one of that or a certain stage of that, it can really give you some rattling at idle. Alright, so real quickly I wanted to show you guys kind of what you get in the kit. Up top here we have an installation guide, and I think something to send maybe for a warranty or if you have any issues. And then you have the clutch kit. You got your throwout bearing, you got some gaskets, and then you have your alignment tool with screws to actually put it in. And then this is the clutch thing. I was kind of hoping it was going to be a part where I could show you the 3 pieces individually, the pressure plate, flywheel, and actual clutch, but unfortunately it's already bolted together, so I'm not going to take it apart and mess with anything. I'm just going to let it go. I'm not doing the install myself. I mean, as you know, for most of the videos on here, I do everything myself, or I try to at least. A clutch is a little bit daunting to me. I don't really feel comfortable doing that myself. Thankfully, I know very good people, and a buddy of mine is hooking me up with a friend of his that has done this before on my buddy's car personally. So I'm going to go to, I think it's like his house or his dad's house. So I don't really know how much filming I'm going to do. I'm not going to shove the camera in their face or mess around. I mean, they're really doing me a favor, helping me out, doing this for me. So I'm very appreciative, very thankful for that. Because if you were to take this to a dealership, I mean, it would cost you well over $1,000. I got quoted from one shop where it was, I think, $850. And when you're already spending, you know, $1,000+ for the clutch, you know, that on top of it really adds up. So I'm very thankful that I've met good people that are willing to help me out. I mean, I try to help people out as much as possible as well too, so it's good to see like the Volkswagen community sticking together for everybody. So like I said, I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna try to show you anything that I can, you know, maybe just some shots of them taking the old clutch out or putting the new clutch in, the car on the lift, you know, something like that. Today we're just gonna get the new clutch installed. I'm meeting up with Russ from Medic Magic, and then we're just gonna try to drive as much as possible. You need between 500 and 600 miles of break-in period. That's street driving, not highway, so you can't just choose somewhere to go, which sucks because we were gonna maybe go to White Castle or something because it's a pretty far drive. So like I said, we're just gonna drive around, have some fun. We'll take you guys with us. If anything comes up, you'll be seeing it. So yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, and then we'll be off to get the new clutch installed. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm in the car. I just drove it around for a little bit. I stopped at a gas station to go to the bathroom, and I just want to give you guys my first initial thoughts. It's really heavy. I need to put a lot more pressure on the pedal in order to push the clutch in. It's really strange. It's like driving a whole new car right now. I'm definitely not used to it. I'm a little bit afraid to, you know, drive around in traffic or be stuck on a hill because I haven't figured out where like the engage point is and things like that. But I'll get used to it. I mean, I gotta break it in, so I've got a ton of time to. One quick note I will make is it is very noisy. I hear a ton of sounds that at first I didn't think were good. I just looked it up on the internet, and it's because it is a single mass flywheel. They're just really noisy. When I put my foot in, it goes away. When I'm not, if I'm just in neutral and clutch is nowhere, I don't have any of that noise. So I know nothing's wrong. It's just the clutch is very annoying. But right now I'm going to try to give Ross a call, see what the hell he is up to, see if he's still down to come hang out with me, or if he's gonna be a prick like he always is. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see if he answers or if he's like sleeping or something. This lady next to me is probably looking at me weird because I have my camera out. Come on, Russ.
You've reached Russell. I can't take your call right.
Try him again. He always complains that I don't try hard enough. Oh, what a dick.
You've reached Russell. I can't.
Third time's a charm, and then I give up. What a lame.
You've reached Russell. I can't take your call right now. If you can just leave your name and number.
Okay, well, since Russell is blowing me off and not picking up his phone, I guess that means I'm on my own for all the driving today, which is fine. That just means I'm gonna end the video here. I'm not gonna really hold the camera around and show you guys everything that's going on because it's really just gonna be me sitting in the car and driving. So yeah, I got some shots of the actual install. I will relay those somewhere in the video. If you have any questions on the clutch, please let me know. I will be doing a more in-depth review once I get some more time with it and understand how it works a little bit better and the feel and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below any questions you might have, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.